Question Nazar, I like this beat.
Ain't shit free till they free all the guys. I done said it a lot and it ain't the last time. I want her to be my ball, I don't care if she tall like a tree, that hoe get climbed. Got a couple comments, nigga, hashtag blessed. Now these hoes on my dick cause I'm fly like a jet. They gon' be surprised when they see I made this beat, baby Chief and Kanye West. As long as the hoe outside with the zoo shit never see home. 2612 be the squad, we all beat the odds. How that shit unknown. None of the ops ever answer the phone. Our month is porcelain come out his home. I'm the type of nigga take a bad bitch sale and leave all type of dick pics in the phone. Y'all made a nigga say fuck the streets, these kids ain't got no structure. Don't leave your bitch in a room with me, I have it eating cherries on my hand like Usher. Damn on who nigga